This 2003 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 is brought to you by Auto Gallery Chicago. Silverado 1500 4WD V8 engine, automatic transmission, 4-drive system, keyless entry, fog lamps, cruise control, adjustable steering wheel, power windows, power door locks, pewter exterior, gray interior, floor mats. Please feel free to call us 630-628-1400 with any question you might have, or ask us for detailed walk-around way. Hope you are next satisfied. Online buyer at Auto Gallery Chicago. We strive to provide you with the best quality vehicles for the lowest possible price, and this 2003 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 X-Cab 4WD is no exception. We provide low-cost worldwide shipping directly to your chosen destination. Although Auto Gallery Chicago prides itself on accuracy in our descriptions and amp pricing, on occasion, mistakes can happen. Please verify all descriptions and pricing. In the event of a mistake, Auto Gallery Chicago is not responsible for errors. We also reserve the right to withdraw, terminate any vehicle listed for sale. Thank you. Visit us at AutoGalleryChicago.com.